Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you facing the Windows security not opening problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11? If Windows Defender is not opening, crashing or not responding, then don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix Windows security not working issue easily. So let's get started. First, click on the Start menu. Type Windows Security. When it appears, right-click on it and click on App Settings. Scroll down and click on Reset. To confirm, again click on Reset. Now try opening Windows Security and check if the problem is solved. If it is still not opening, follow the next method. Right-click on the Start menu. Click on Terminal, Admin. Click Yes. Now copy and paste the command given in the video description. Press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. After that, restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, check if Windows Security is working properly. If Windows Security is still not opening, a third-party antivirus may be causing the problem. To uninstall it, click on the Start menu, type Control Panel and open it. Under Programs, click on Uninstall a program. Now you will see all installed programs. Find your third-party antivirus software like Avast, AVG, McAfee, Norton or Kaspersky. Double-click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall it. After uninstalling the antivirus, restart your computer. Now check again, your Windows security should open normally. Sometimes third-party antivirus software conflicts with Windows Defender and prevents Windows security from launching. That's how you fix the Windows security not opening problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Tech Review. If you are still facing the problem, comment below your Windows version and I will try to help you.